And today I will show you 3 easy but fun science experiments. So let's begin. The first experiment we are going to do is vacuum candle. Let's start. First you are going to take your water and another bowl, and first we are going to make our colored water. Here I put my water, and you are going to take any poster color or watercolor, and you are going to mix it with the water. After doing that, you are going to set it aside, and you are going to take your plate. And you're going to take your colored water which we just made and pour it into your plate. After doing that, you're going to take your candle and place it in the middle. And you're going to get an adult to light your candle. After your adult lights your candle, you're going to take your clear glass and put it over. Now carefully observe this. The glass is absorbing all the water and the candle is going to burn out in just few seconds. See, the candle has burned out and it is floating. I'll tell you why this happens. This is happening because fire needs oxygen to burn. Experiment we are going to do is pepper and soap cream. You are going to take your water and pour it into your plate like we did it in our last experiment. After doing that, you are going to take your grounded black pepper, 1 tablespoon, and you are just going to sprinkle it over your water. After doing that, you're going to take your finger and you're going to dip it in the middle and take it out. See that there is black pepper on your finger, right? And if you don't want that, there's a trick. What you're going to do, you're going to take your dish soap, only 1 drop you're going to need, and just dip your finger into it, like this. And dip it in the middle of your plate. See, all the black pepper that was floating on the top has been separated from our finger. So for our third and final experiment, we are going to be doing chemography. Let's start. You're going to take your little cube of paper and you're going to cut it. You're going to need 1 strip. After cutting it, you're going to take any sketch pens of your choice and you're just going to make small dots on it. After doing that, you're going to take another sketch pen, pencil or a pen, and you're just going to take some tape and stick it to it. Like this. After doing that, you're going to set it aside and take your clear glass, put some water till here, and then after doing that, here's the fun part, you're going to take your little design on a stick we made and put it like this. Make sure the tissue paper is reaching the water and see that the colors are blending together. And then gently I'm going to take it out, and here's our wood camography. I hope that all of you loved all these 3 experiments. Try them out and thank you for watching.